Hello friends, we are in third semester additional English class. Today we are in the 13th session of our syllabus. In the last class we began reading one act play titled A Sunny Morning. Let's continue reading it as a comedy, A Sunny Morning as a comedy. So what is comedy? Under this title we shall study these following three topics in this class. Comedy, what is comedy? So in brief, comedy is something that evokes laughter and humor. Let us find out comic elements in this play. We shall also read conversation among the characters which creates humor. If you remember, in the previous class we began reading this play. We were introduced to the writers, main characters, and the opening scene. In today's class, let us first learn what is a comedy. Comedy is something that induces laughter through dialogues, action, imitation, and so on. So laughter or humor may be induced through either dialogues or action or imitation or anything like that. Comedy is also any work that is intended to incite laughter and amusement, especially in theatre, television, film, stand-up comedy, or any other entertainment medium. So medium can be anything, but the purpose of comedy or the meaning of comedy itself is to create humor and entertain. So this form of comedy dates back to the ancient Greeks, originating from the comedy literary definition, which refers to a medieval story or narrative involving an amusing character that triumphs over poor circumstances, creating comic effects. The tone here is light and satirical, and the story always ends well. Yes. Comedy is something that induces laughter, humor, and entertains, amuses. The topic is light and story, such a story, a comical story, ends happily. So that is what comedy is. At the end of this session, 13th session, you will understand what is comedy, and you will also find out how this comedy is seen in this play. Okay, now let us find out the comic elements in this play named A Sunny Morning. So as Lara and Gonzalo enter the park, they start arguing over some topics like the pigeons and the benches. So this argument creates humor. From their arguments, we can draw a contrast between their characters. In the sense, Lara is calm lady who loves to be in the company of birds and nature. She even curses, now it is Gonzalo. Gonzalo is a type of character who is impatient. He curses the priests for occupying his bench. He finds negative aspect in whatever he is surrounded by and goes on complaining. Lara gives grievances only when she is irritated by others. So this is about characterization of Lara and Gonzalo. Yes, as these two characters enter the park, Lara's bench where she sits usually is vacant, and she sits there. But for Gonzalo it is a problem. The bench where he used to sit always is occupied by three priests. So he is impatient. He does not know where to sit. So he tells Juanito to send them out. He is so impatient. And asks if they are gone. Juanito says, no, they are still talking. And then Gonzalo comments, yes, they are sitting on the bench as if they are glued to the seat, as if they are glued, attached with the gum. He compares them, they are sitting to as if they are glued to their benches. So this is an instance of comedy. While arguing with Lara, he says, this is a public park. Then Lara comments, if this is a public park, why then you were complaining that your bench has been taken by some priests? If it is a public park, benches belong to the public. You cannot claim authority or the ownership on any bench in the park. That's what she means. So this is how the argument between Lara and Gonzalo produces humor. Gonzalo goes round the park, comes back to the bench where Lara is sitting because he doesn't find any bench vacant. So when Gonzalo comes, Lara comments on him, saying, what an ill-natured man. And she is childish in a sense. She says, I am glad that he lost the bench. I am glad that he did not get a bench to sit. And he did not get a bench because he scared away my birds. That is the punishment for him. And she, challenges in a sense. Yes, find a seat if you can, poor man. She pities, but ironically. And she further comments on him and his actions. She observes him wiping sweat on his face. And she also compares him to a vehicle. See, in this dialogue, a carriage would not raise more dust than his feet. As a vehicle passes on a country road, it raises dust behind it. Lara compares Gonzalo's walking to that of a vehicle. Remember, Gonzalo is gouty in the sense he suffers from knee pain, joint pain, for which he cannot walk properly. Somewhat he drags his leg as he walks. So as he drags his leg while walking, that raises dust. That's why Lara compares him to a vehicle and says, a carriage would not raise more dust than his feet. So this is comical. So this is how we have many instances in the play. And okay, Gonzalo sits on the same bench where Lara is sitting. Lara sits on one end of the bench. The other end of the bench is occupied by Gonzalo. So anyways, since she is the neighbor now on that bench, he greets her saying good morning. But Lara pinches him saying, what, you here again? Why have you come here again? Gonzalo says, I repeat, we have not met. Lara says, I was responding to your salute. Okay, if you are responding to my salute, good morning should be answered by good morning. That's how there is humor in this play. Then after he sits on the bench, he uses his kerchief to wipe the dust on his shoes. So while he does that, Lara asks him, do you use your handkerchief as a shoe brush? Yes, he says, yes, I can use my handkerchief to wipe or clean my shoes. So Gonzalo says, yes, why not? Lara reverses that order and asks, do you use shoe brush as a handkerchief? Gonzalo is irritated at this question and says, what right do you have to criticize my actions? In the sense, you don't have right to criticize my actions. And then while Gonzalo takes out something from his pocket, Lara says, I thought you were taking out a telescope. The telescope is a big one, big in size, that cannot be kept in pocket, felt trousers pocket. But Lara makes fun of him. And while Gonzalo says he is good at hunting, killing, Lara comments saying, yes, you are good in killing time, not killing any animal or something. So that's how Lara makes fun of Gonzalo's hunting skills, reading glasses, and also his walking style. So that's how in the play we have tried to understand A Sunny Morning as a comedy, and we also have tried to find out comical instances inducing humor and entertainment in this play. So with this, go through multiple choice questions and check your understanding. So with this, let us conclude session 14. Thank you.